7 car maintenance tips mechanics don't want you to know. Did you know you can avoid unnecessary mechanic visits with a few insider tips? That's right. There are simple tricks to keeping your car running smoothly without spending a fortune. Stick around as we uncover 7 secrets mechanics wish you didn't know. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So let's get started. A clogged air filter can hurt fuel efficiency and engine performance. The good news? Replacing it is cheap and takes just a few minutes. Check your owner's manual for the right type and switch it out every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. Save a service fee with this DIY fix. Proper tire pressure boosts fuel economy and keeps you safer on the road. Use a simple pressure gauge monthly and compare readings to your car's recommended PSI levels. Underinflated tires wear out faster and hurt mileage. Don't let this small oversight cost you big. You don't need a mechanic to check if your car is running low on oil. Pop open the hood, pull out the dipstick, and see where the level stands. Regular checks keep the engine healthy and help you avoid costly damage down the road. Worn brake pads can lead to dangerously slow stopping times. Learn to recognize screeching noises or reduced brake efficiency as warning signs. Replacing pads on time costs far less than repairing the entire brake system. Corrosion on your battery terminals can prevent your car from starting. A sprinkle of baking soda and a toothbrush can clean them up in no time. Doing this maintenance helps extend your battery's lifespan. Don't rely on mechanics to swap out worn wiper blades. Check them regularly and replace them before they start streaking. New blades are affordable and can make a major difference during a downpour. Coolant, windshield washer fluid, and transmission fluid can be topped off in minutes. Check which types your car needs and save time and money by learning this quick skill yourself. Stop relying on mechanics for every little fix. Apply these simple tips to extend your car's life, save money, and stay safe on the road. Like, follow, and share this video for more smart car owner tips. You've got the tools to drive smarter.